made additive. Yeah. So you've made additive change, and you think that, by just adding something, it shouldn't affect the rest of the code, but clearly it does. So we have to find out why this is so. Okay, set up validators, right? And you know what? If you keep going, like step through F8, I think, on your computer.
It should run to the next one.
No, oh, did you hit play? Oh yeah, you did.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, okay. You are stopped here because you have to feel those things. Yep. Yeah. Good. Good. It's fine. You know what? The other suspicion that I have is you didn't fill the cell type numbers. I'm wondering if the lack of cell type numbers might trigger this lack of generation of diffusion field XML. But let's worry about it later.
Mhm.
Okay, good. Let's step through. So F8. Go back to the edit because maybe you are. Oh yeah, no, you're fine. F8. That's fine. Keep stepping. F8. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's hit. I think it's Alt F8. Evaluate window. Alt F8. Yep, and type self.general properties. It should autofill general. Yeah. You can. Yeah, hit enter. Okay, so it's reading correctly, right? So dimension is correct, membrane fluctuation. So this is good. So let's keep going. And you know what? Um, let's put a breakpoint at the line where it says generate XML. So it's like 100 lines below. So yeah. Yeah, let's put line 1266. Yeah.
And run.
This one, exactly, yes.
Okay.
And now let's type, um, let's see, okay, in the bottom panel, so here, let's see what we have. If you scroll down, solver name, so it gets solver name.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so it
That's
looks
correct.
good so far. Okay, now let me actually take a quick look what I have here on my machine. And I want you to, this is good session, I think. When things break, it's actually not so bad. I like it. Because let me go inside and I want you to put a break. So now we will switch to, wait, where is it? Oh, didn't I have it open? Trying to look, configure. Where do we generate XML? Where are those functions? So let me. So generate XML is here, but what I want is get inside those functions. Okay, I see where we are. Good. So go to line 1360, roughly, inside generate XML function. So you have to scroll there and put a breakpoint, and I will tell you why. So keep going down. Yes, and go up a little bit. Up, yeah, and let's put breakpoint line 1347. Yeah, and hit play. I mean, you know which play, this one. Continue. Yeah, okay. Now let's see what this KWDS looks like. Yeah, KWDS. All right. Vision data. general proper. Can you expand the general properties data? So it's here, like this.
Sorry.
This one, yeah. And let's see. Oh, no. Okay, that looks good. All right. So now the trick
Our field is here. I mean,
it is exactly right. So my suggestion, if you don't see it generated, so okay, so now let's go and let me see. Let's place a breakpoint. Where's my stuff? Let's put a breakpoint in. So here's what I would do in your line. So let's close this evaluate window for now. Let's close it. And I want you to, okay, here, keep Control key on and click on this guy here. Yeah, and yes. And let's find where you want to go. Generator base. I think maybe click the first link. I think that might be a good place. And put breakpoint at line 258. 258, yeah. And let's hit play. Because I want to see. Okay, now let's do hit F8 until you get to the for loop, and we will see what's going on here. So F8, keep going, F8, like this. Yeah, so we have, yeah, and keep going. Let's see. Okay, so stop for now. So clearly we are getting this guy, which is correct, medium. So this is all fine. And you can keep going. And then let's go back to new simulation wizard. So let's go to this file. And then let's see what's next. So we have CompuSoft plugin. What plugins did you choose? Do you remember?
I chose no one.
So just cell type, right?
Yes.
And the diffusion field. Okay, so if that's what you did, then let me actually go back and check here. I'll tell you where to put the next breakpoint. So there's a bunch of contact plugins. Okay, so I want you to scroll down to line 1451, roughly. And okay, so 1440, this guy. Put the breakpoint here, sorry. Yeah, exactly. And hit play. Now, open evaluate window, Alt F8, and type, let's see what's there. Just, I will show you what to do. No, well, then hit line F8. Sorry, F8 one time, because then you will get list of solvers, because you have not executed this line. Yeah, now you can do this. So this is the issue. For whatever reason, the self-diffusing keys is empty. And let's see how it can happen.
I mean, right? But this is okay, right?
No, it's not, because, well, didn't you add the diffusion field? Okay. Okay, so before we exit this session, let's actually do something here, because so I want you to, let's open, let's look here somewhere in this panel. Let's focus on that. Let's close this guy and let's focus on the bottom one. Let's expand the KWDS. So here, PDE field data. We see that there is something, and let's open. So PDE field data. Okay, that's actually important. Let me see how this gets in. Because I think this is where the issue is. F. And I think, okay, here is the issue. If you go to new simulation wizard, if you go to line 982, and this is where, so I was right. Hold on, let me actually, yeah, here, line 982. Do you see what's wrong here? So if current ID means current page ID, right?
Oh,
right. So this is the problem. It's my fault in a sense, because for whatever reason I was lazy, and I assumed that nobody but me would be adding the page here. So let's fix it in the way that I would like it to be fixed. Okay, so
yeah, okay, but first, let's reset my to edit, because if we fix here, I'll probably pull it, right?
okay, so here's how it works. Let's say we fix the code. Let me actually draw it here. Let's say we fix this line. And the way we will fix this line, we'll use this self-page dict. You remember, right? Where you were putting page 3,3 in the list, right? That's what we will use here. Next, what we will do, after we fix this, we are going to close the edit then and restart the debugging session again. And then it should work. So let's fix it now. I mean, we may close if that's what we decided that it's going. So we may close the session actually, because obviously whatever changes we make here will not be reflected until we restart to edit again.
Yeah.
Oh, and I like this drawing stuff. Self.page dict. Yep. Square bracket. Square bracket.
Like this?
A square, not curly.
Ah, sorry.
And then quotes, double quotes. And I think it's diffusance, starting with diffusan ANTS. I think that's what it is. And then you have to follow with the, so this will give you, okay, so let me actually explain what's going to happen. This expression will return a list. The first element will be page ID. I mean, will be the page itself. The second element will be, what will be? The page number. So you have to, so this is what you have to type. Square bracket, and then 1, and then square bracket. Following this square bracket, you have to add another square bracket. Yeah, like that, exactly. And I think, let's run it actually. Let's not even run debug sessions now. I think this will fix it.
Let me make sure where this guy is. Oh, there are 20 calls for this.
That's fine. You can quickly scroll up.
Here.
There you go.
So it's diffusants.
Yep.
And then the number is it's the 1.
So what you want there, let me stop here. Okay. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, it should work now.
This should work. And there might be other places that similar coding style is in place, and it will be good to actually fix those. So just run it. I think if you do what you did before, it should run. You want to do debug? Or I would just hit normal run.
Yeah, let's go.
Just to see if it works. If it doesn't, then we can do debug. Yep, let's put some stuff here and
there we go.
did it work?
Yeah.
Yep, exactly. So now what we've learned here is we've learned how to identify the issues. We've learned that there are some bad coding, not so great coding practices in place, and it's a good opportunity to fix them. And I'm pretty sure that there might be other places in the code where similar issue might occur. So, something is out of whack, you know how to fix this particular problem. And this is all very good because, part of this project is to, overhaul the wizard. This was the code that was written once, and once it worked and it did what it was supposed to do, I did not go back and refactor it to make it easier for other people to add code. So we might have opportunity to do some work like that. But okay, so this works. Now I like this stuff, right? Because this is no flags boundary conditions. That's what we want exactly. This is great.
So I will also comment out this guy here.
You would comment out why do you?
I will also comment this guy out.
Why do you want to comment out? You don't want secretion?
Yeah, because generally when people develop simulations, they add the secretion plugin, which is another plugin, and they get this unexpected secretion on their cells, which sometimes makes it takes time to notice for the person to notice, oh, okay, the person is working in secretion like here, somewhere here, and forgets that in the diffusion solver there is a secretion too.
Yes, but here's the thing about secretion plugin. In general, secretion plugin should not be used. So it sounded like a great idea, but it has this drawback that it messes up with, and I have to figure out why it messes. I know why. Okay. Do I know? Maybe not. It messes up essentially if you run CompuCell on multiple processors. Adding secretion plugin will mess this thing up the way it's coded up. So let's say if you use secretion plugin and you declare secretion and you use 10 CPUs, then secretion plugin will effectively ensure that your simulation run at the speed of single CPU, which is not what you want. So for that reason, the only reason why you want to have secretion plugin, so in other words, what you don't want in secretion plugin, you don't want to have this type of definitions. If you have secretion plugin without anything inside, that's fine, because then you can secrete in Python on cell-by-cell basis, right? That's fine. That's okay. But the moment you introduce secretion data the way you do it in this section, then secretion plugin will cause CompuCell essentially to run at the single CPU speed. And
so can I just comment this line?
Yeah, you can comment this line. Yeah. Yep.
And it's okay?
Yes.
So just provided we keep these two lines here, you don't have the problem with multiple CPUs?
Nope. No, because plugin is, I don't know what I would have to look at the code, but because it's a plugin, it can be called multiple times during single single Monte Carlo step. When you have steppable, it gets called outside of the pixel copy step, right? So you give this pixel copy step, and then you run steppables. So this, by definition, the diffusion solver is being run at outside of the pods loop. So that then it doesn't affect the pods pixel copies. So so that's why, that's why this is so so I would, so, and actually there is entry in manual. If anything, I would add, if can you open the wizard again and start configuring simulation? So this could be actually a good opportunity. Add some, whatever. Okay, here. So what I would do here, let me actually show you. I would add some, first of all, I could change this to maybe red color, and I would add in parentheses deprecated.
Really? But that's
not okay.
I mean,
no.
for example, for the tumor simulation, we need to we need, or for example, you want the cell to take up something, some nutrient.
Well, you do everything for that in XML here. This is where you would declare it inside PD solver.
Even uptake?
Even uptake, yeah. So whatever you have in secretion plugin, everything is accessible here. So you really don't need secretion plugin for that. The only place where you need secretion plugin is, so in other words, secretion plugin from here should not generate section that looks like that. It should only generate, a single line that, I'm using secretion plugin, but we should not allow, from the wizard, we should not allow users to input the same content that you normally have in this section.
But and all these functions here, can we use them?
Click them.
In this version here, you're saying? So that all these functions here.
No, those functions that you're highlighting are functions that you use from Python to secrete chemical on the cell by cell basis, right? So in other words, you are doing this, you're calling those functions inside the for loop where you iterate over every single cell and say, hey, cell number 1 secretes 0.1, cell number 2 secretes 0.7, and so on and so forth, right? And for that, you need secretion plugin. But the secretion plugin should not have any content like that inside. Because if it does, it will cause the meltdown. I mean, it will CompuCell to run at the single speed. So it's okay to have secretion plugin, but the secretion plugin that you generate from Wizard should not have any content like that.
Got it.
And I think we should fix it now, because right now, I bet if you add secretion plugin, it will generate a bunch of code like that, and we don't want it. So that's what I would do. Now I have to clean the screen. Is there any way to clean the screen faster? Like,
you can just like sweep the eraser and it works.
Like that? Oh, let's see.
Yeah, you don't need to click one by one. You can sweep. Yeah, sweep the entire screen. Like if you run over them, they will disappear. Yes.
Yep.
Yeah, so secretion finish. Yeah, it probably does generate. Sorry,
Play with different color.
I think it's this one.
Oh, different
No, it
color.
doesn't. It doesn't. Oh, because I think I didn't specify anything. So if
Yeah,
we
you did, I think, but let's see. Okay.
no, I did not. Let me show you. Let me add a cell
Yep. And then
and a
make sure
field. Yeah.
secretion, click secretion.
Secretion. Huh?
That's fine. That's fine. Just you can leave this. That's fine.
Oh, it should ask me because there is a page where you ask, oh, what cell secrete what?
Oh, yeah. And there is a bug. Go back, go back, go back, or actually go forward. Slowly. Forward, forward. Keep going forward. One more time. Here. Okay, go back. This is a bug. And
Ah,
this bug is occurs where we use this remove
yeah, it
page.
is. Yes.
So we might have to fix that too.
Yeah,
Right.
this bug is in other places too, right?
Mhm.
So let's go to
It's a bug that you have in your code right now in this version. Yeah,
secretion.
plugin.
Secretion plugin. So somewhere here for.
Yeah.
So let's actually
Wait. What is okay?
there are 6 calls of this. So okay. Okay, so this is 2, this is wrong.
Yep. So let's fix it.
This is 1, this is wrong
Yeah.
too. And this is 0.
Yep. Which is
Wrong. I mean the 0th
0
page.
is fine, but I would still okay. So let's fix this while we're here, because that's actually good use of our time.
Yeah, we still need to change that. So
Yeah.
let's fix everything.
Yep.
Okay. So the first page, which should be here, it
So
must be
page 0. So this is like not general properties, but what would you call it?
initialization.
Maybe, yeah, let's call it initialization. Simulation file, I don't know, files.
Simulation directory.
Yeah, simulation directory, yeah. Let's call it like that. And 0.
Yeah. Okay. The one is our dummy page. I mean, so let me ask again. Maciej, so these changes, we intend to pull them.
Yeah.
But there are a bunch of dummy changes we made so far. How do I reset all of them?
Okay. The way you do it normally, you right click on the page that you're on.
Here?
No, on the page here. I'll show you. Here, right click. Then go to Git. Git here. No, lower here. And then go to compare with revision. Okay, now this is the last time it was modified. So you can click this
First one?
guy. Yeah. And it will open so here you have arrows that you can go up and down and view the changes that you've made. So normally that's what I do before I commit anything.
My changes are on the right. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this one is okay to leave.
Yeah. Yes, this is okay. This is what you did. That's fine. We'll hold on just a second. We'll have to replace those guys, those hard-coded lines, with the same syntax that we used, when we fixed the other guy.
Huh?
So, when we use this self page dict, in this case, we would hide secretion. So you type remove page and you type self page dict secretion square brackets 1 because
Yeah.
you want to.
Yes. But let's revert to the changes before. So for example, in the new simulation wizard,
Yeah.
so I have to do that page by page.
Yeah, but so about new simulation wizard, normally you wouldn't reverse that here. I mean, like you would reverse it on inside the Q designer. And there is an easy way to reverse things.
In the Qt designer?
In Qt designer, you would have to go manually and remove this page that you've added. And then you would have to use PYUIC5 to regenerate this UI file.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but is there a better way?
There is. You can do it directly from here, by the way.
Yeah, I
So
can just come here, git,
and wait,
compare.
rollback. You have rollback here. So right click again. No, don't go here. Right click and go, no, git, and there is rollback here.
Oh,
And this will roll back, and you can select what you want to roll back. So if you want, wait, don't do that yet. I'll show you what to do. So if you want to roll back the changes in the new simulation wizard, you will click here and here. You would select those two. And then you get rid of, and then you go back to where it was. Yeah.
nice. Okay.
But now you have to go back to new simulation wizard here and
yeah.
redo those. And now I have to make those guys.
I can roll back and redo. I mean, it's not a huge deal.
Yeah, you can do it. Yeah, exactly. That works too.
Yeah. Okay. So now it's the current version of CompuCell.
Yep.
Nice. Okay, so let's do it. So after this one, we need a simulation directory. And it is the page 0. So every time we add a page, we have to do this, in other words.
Yes. Okay. You can, if you want, you can be let's leave it like that. I wanted to say you can write a function that adds new page, right? And then it automatically increments the page numbers. We can do it later. We don't have to do. We can keep the way it is for now.
Yeah, we can keep the way it is now. I mean, it's not a huge deal. Let's just fix the down here. So remove page, and then we want to remove the secretion.
I will send one function that I think will be useful and will make code nicer. So keep typing. I will send you this function in a second over the chat. So what I would like to add
and 8. Okay. Okay. That's already better. And then why am I running to edit? Cancel. Go away. Okay. Now we have all this current ID. So instead of current ID 0, we want page dict. And this is simulation directory 1. I hope that's right.
Pedro, I'm going to send you a quick function over the chat. I'm going to paste it in chat. And you can you can paste it in your code. And this would make your life easier later. I mean, the code later. I mean, it will look nicer.
What's this?
So copy this stuff and paste it, I don't know. So I will show you.
Okay, you sent to the chat. Page ID by name, self. No. Okay, got it. I can like put it here, for example, and just call this guy by name. So it would be like this. And then the name, yeah, so this will be simulation. It will not decrease the amount of work, but okay. Simulation directory. I will still have to refer to the names, but okay. Okay?
Oh,
Does
yeah,
that look?
yeah. Self. You have to type self here before get.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Yep.
All right.
Where did you put this code?
I put it over here before the update UI.
Did you split your screen by any chance?
Yes, I split the same file because on the right I'm finding
Oh yeah,
where
you're fine. You're fine.
yeah. And on the left I'm referring to the names.
Mm-hmm. Good point.
Okay.
Yep, that looks good.
Okay, so that's the first one. The next one. So this will be this, and then page 2. Sorry, that was general properties. Next one.
Oh, you have to general properties has to be in quotes. So the way you do it, so go back because you have general. So highlight general properties. Oh, yeah, okay. You don't have to do it like this. You can highlight general properties and put quotes now. It will put quotes on the both sides.
Oh, let me try that.
Yeah.
So highlight. Okay.
And quote. Simple.
Right.
Yeah. Right. And you're done.
Okay.
Saves time.
Next one.
Yeah. Page ID by name.
Cell type.
Yep.
Is that right? It was 2? Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me just copy this guy here.
Oh, wait. Actually, what was 2 before? Oh, no, that's fine. So right now we are using okay. Yes, right.
This is 3, which is diffusant.
Yeah.
Next one.
4 is, what is 4? Why did we see 4?
We have to add the page 4. Yeah, so page 4 is the plugins.
Yeah, so we didn't add even that. Exactly. Plugins. Maybe lowercase, yeah. 4. Yep. Plugins.
There are 2 more.
For page ID, that's
No,
fine.
that's it. Validate current pages. Yeah. Yeah, that's it.
Yep.
It was all of them. Wait,
Yep.
wait.
And now, so after changes like that, what I would do, I would test everything.
Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. What is Python script? Page dict Python script. Oh, the last one. Okay.
Yeah, exactly. So let's for consistency, let's repeat the whole line, this line 892, because I want to see set page. What does it show? Like
Do you want me
fully.
to fix this one like this?
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. And so get rid of this one at the end.
And same thing.
And
No,
it's
this.
so this one is correct.
Yeah. Yeah.
This one is
The zeroth is self.page. It's
the page,
the page module, let's say.
which we can add another function like get
Position one, yeah, the same function.
page by name. Just like you added get page ID, you can have function get page by name. Right?
Get
So
page by name and return 0.
Yep. And then, yeah.
And then here, get page by name.
Yes.
Okay, good. Now we run.
Now we run.
Okay, let's see if it works. Yes. Let me close. Where is the main? Here.
Oh, yeah, I see what you did. Okay, that makes sense.
Okay. Oh, what a relief! I didn't see the dummy page.
Yeah, no, I know. But, well, because exactly that's the
But so maybe there's another thing wrong because so when I add secretion here, oh yeah, so now it's calling that page.
yeah. And it
And
should.
how is it accessing the ID?
In what sense?
Are you sure it's accessing the ID correctly? Or it's like page ID equals 6
And accessing from where?
in the new simulation wizard? Because here, secretion is 5.
Yeah.
Okay. When you so down here.
Current
Yeah,
ID.
so here we are getting if current ID equals, before it was 0, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
And when we add the secretion plugin, how does it refer to the ID? Is it like in a robust way like this, or you wrote 5?
No, it's in a robust way because go back to the line that you had for here. So I'll actually show you what's going on. So this is ID of the current page. And in your wizard, in your UI, you defined, you define pages, right? So if you define that simulation directory is on the page, was it like 0, then this will work because you hard coded the 0 earlier on. in the self page dict. So I guess let me actually check if there is a better way to wizard. Maybe there is a better way that Qt can give us. Qt, what is it like? Q wizard class. Let's see, come on, please open. Page ID.
Oh, here, look. Yes, now this here you were referring correctly. We only need to update the format.
Yeah. So we have to change this exactly. But I'm just looking at if there is any wizard. There's any way we can.
This for else remove page.
Yep.
And then same for chemotaxis.
Yes. So there is
copy and paste
a
everything.
bit of changes that you need to do.
Contact multi-CAD. So this is supposedly deprecated. Why are we using it?
It's a great question. I mean, it's there. We can leave it.
Okay. Doesn't cost much.
Doesn't cost much, exactly, right? I kind of think that we could do it without using those functions that we introduced. We could use only Qt functions to do that. But let's keep doing this. We can do another round of refactoring later if we have time, but this is fine so far. Yep.
Addition flags.
Yep.
Yeah, that's one that should have a page for itself, don't you think?
Adhesion flags, it does.
Yeah, but you just declare the you don't actually set the attributes, you know?
You set the attribute. Use for adhesion flags, you set everything there. There is a page that has very nice.
Even the function?
Hmm?
Even the function?
Yep.
Let me try that. Addition flags.
So you can set the function.
Here. Yeah, molecule 1 and molecule 2, but you are not setting the concentrations of molecules in each cell type.
You're not setting the I mean, yeah, this could be added. Yeah. Do you have any? Let's add adhesion molecules. Yeah, you're right. So it will generate, like, it will assign concentration to be equal 10, I think, or 1, whatever.
Yeah, it generates some dummy numbers like it does in the diffusion solver.
Yeah.
Module.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is something you could definitely improve if you want to.
Okay. Multicad. There's another multicad stuff here.
Yeah, so you have to do the same stuff here. So here you would type get page by name, not ID. But wait, get current page. Yeah, like this. That's what it was. And then the same here. current page. Open parentheses, and then yep, close.
And then make project. Yeah, here we are in another domain already.
Yes. Now this should work, I think.
Okay, let's redo.
Let's check it.
I can just select like main forever.
Yeah, you should be able to.
New project, add a cell, add a field. Let's select secretion. That's the task I wanted to do. So let's select my cell on contact secretion.
Okay, so if you stop here, I would eliminate this page because that's what you don't want to do, right? We're talking about
Yes.
secretion plugin. What I would do,
Yes.
I would move this whole thing from here to the definition of the diffusion solver.
Oh,
right?
okay.
Because you want whatever you're doing here to be inserted into diffusion solver.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, for now, that's fine. Let's leave it the way it is because
Mm-hmm.
we're not there yet, but yeah.
But it does do what you don't want, which is generating
Exactly.
lines inside the
Exactly.
secretion here.
Right. So, yeah, exactly. It does what you want, but you really want this stuff to be generated inside diffusion solver, the secretion on contact.
And ideally you want this, and then the person only sets
Exactly.
things on Python code.
Exactly. That's what.
Okay.
That's what.
That's easy to do, right? I mean, it will be part of their project.
Yeah, that's. I mean, the first part to get rid of the second screen will be easy.
Mm-hmm.
The harder part will be to take this widgets that were used for secretion plugin and apply them in diffusion solver, because this widget for diffusion solvers will have to be a little bit more complex.
Mm-hmm.
Because you will have, yeah, but it's nothing crazy complex.
Okay, so it works.
Yeah.
And how do I pull the changes now?
How do you make PR? That's a question. Pull request. So the way it works is okay. When you are pulling to your repository, you are grabbing code from CompuCell repository and merging it with your version. Now, what you want
Push.
to do,
Yeah, I want to
do
push.
the other way around. You want to make so. So here's the thing. Did you fork repository or did you let me actually see. So go to, okay, I will show you what to do. Go here, expand the file menu. Go here, now here, then Git. And wait. And I have to see. Manage remotes, this guy. So remote is the server where your Git repository is hooked to.
Remote. Where is it? Remote.
Manage here. I marked it.
Here.
Yep.
No, you didn't. This manage remotes?
Yes. That's what you want.
Oh, it didn't.
Okay. Okay, so this is good because, okay, wait, stop here. Because this shows that this CC3D Github is from your own.
Yeah.
That's what you want. So what I would do next, now, I would do, you have to commit your changes. So how do you commit changes in PyCharm, which is by far my favorite way to interact with Git through PyCharm. So let me actually do this. You can hit Control K or Apple K. Control K on Windows, Apple K on Mac. So Control K. Control K, yes. No. Commit, yeah, or that's how you do it. Okay. No, okay, Control K, exact. So what are you committing? So don't do anything yet. Now, if you want to see how your changes look like for init, because you changed something in init here, you can double click. So you remember, to get everything working, we had to insert this. I don't want this code to be in the repository. So I would uncheck this guy. Uncheck. Now you will commit 2 changes here. So you have selected 2 files to commit. Now, here you have to type commit message. You have to say what you did. So refactors, I would say, refactor the code to use more robust references to page names and page IDs. Because that's what you did. Yes, and now you can click commit button.
Let's just take a quick look.
Let's take a quick look, exactly. It's always a good idea to double click here and here just to see what changes you've made.
Yeah, I did. Yeah. Okay, so let me get a little bit of space.
Yeah,
okay, constant derivative stuff to 0.
So you can add also another message to commit saying, implemented default no flags boundary conditions for diffusion solver.
Let me just make sure I did for everything. I want to see if I did for the Z coordinate. Oh, I did, because this is 3D flag.
Yeah.
3D flag 0, and then up here 0 and 0. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay, so these are my changes, and there are more stuff here. What is this?
The same. No flags boundary conditions for probably other solvers.
Other solver, flexible diffusion solver.
Yes. So to make this faster, I would make this guy.
Yeah.
So that you can jump and then.
Yeah, I should do that for all the other solvers, right?
Yeah, but that's fine. You can do it in the next commit. You don't have to. Yeah. Normally, the good practice is to make commits smaller. Commit smaller changes more frequently.
Yeah. Yeah, so we are already like on the limit here.
Yeah. And then you introduce new functions.
Here. Yeah. Okay, so the comments are not for each file. The comment here is for all of them.
For both. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so comments are for both. You can commit multiple files. Typically, you do commit multiple files in a single commit, or
this comment has to go here. Okay.
That's fine.
And then we defined the pages that we didn't have.
Yep.
Those here we can use the function. Can I add it here, like without problems?
Yes, you should.
So get page by name.
Get page ID by name. Because in the remove, you're using page ID.
Yeah.
And you have to change curly bracket. Yeah, remove ones and curly brackets everywhere. And this and that. Oh, torture.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay, what else? Refactoring, refactoring, refactoring.
Yep. See, this view is very nice because you can see quickly what you did.
Yeah, this is very powerful. I like it. And
those are uncommitted files. So you don't touch those unversion files.
okay.
So at this point, I would click commit, this button.
All right.
Okay. Now, so okay, email, you can put your email here. Gmail.com, yeah. Set and commit. Yep. And now you can also do, now you committed. Okay, those files that were committed are on your hard drive. Now you have to push them to the GitHub server. So to do that, you should type Shift Control K. Shift Control K. See, and now you can click the push button. So this will send all those changes from here to the server.
Mm.
So it's the
commit, it makes in my local machine my modifications as the master code.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. And so the push is what sends to GitHub.
To GitHub, exactly.
Okay. Okay, so now that I pushed, do I have to go to GitHub and accept?
Yeah, so now you have to go to GitHub, open your GitHub tab, and let me actually do this. Let me actually clean this mess that I... So GitHub, and this. Go to wherever compute was to edit, right? To edit. Yep.
Yeah, updated 1 minute ago, yeah.
Yeah. And then pull requests at the top. So here we have pull requests. New pull request. Here, have to do this. Click this guy. New pull request. Okay, now here is important. No, go back. Don't do that. You stay here. So this is base repository from which you forked. This is CompuCell repository. You want to change this branch, you have to use pull down menu here to change it to develop. No, not this one, develop. Because we don't push to master, we push to develop. And then you have everything here. Oh, you have generate Pedro module, which is interesting.
Ah, fuck. Yeah.
That's fine. That's fine. That's okay. That's okay. I'll show you what to do. But it looks okay. So now you can scroll down.
But Maciej, we didn't refresh everything.
What do you mean we didn't refresh everything?
We did refresh everything to default back to GitHub version.
Well, maybe.
Why is this still here?
I don't know.
Okay, let's keep going.
So what I will show you what to do. Okay, so there is a bunch of stuff. Now, I don't know why this stuff, why we changed this guy.
These guys here. Yeah, I have no idea too what's going on here.
Yeah. Let's scroll down. So I think you're ready to do pull request. And
Oh, maybe ah,
that's fine. Leave it like that. Leave it like that.
maybe these changes are yours, but they are not on my GitHub version.
Mm,
Because I think that my CC3D to added 5 version on GitHub is not the latest.
That's fine. Do the pull request.
Okay,
Do the pull request.
where is it?
Scroll down all the way down.
Ah,
All the way down. Oh, no, there's nothing. Okay, so go up. And maybe the pull request is done already. Hold on, let me check.
yeah, I mean, there are no pull requests. If you go to new pull request, create an
So this is my repository, right? This is the CompuServe repository. You
okay.
have to go to your repository. No, wait. So this is
Here.
something. So new pull request here.
Ah, and here I have to develop.
Select. Yeah, exactly. What was your branch name that you did, actually?
Hmm?
What was the branch name that you used? So go to your PyCharm.
I think I think I did master here.
You should not, yeah, exactly. You shouldn't be doing master. You should not be doing master.
How do you fix that?
How do you fix that now? Let me think. So you should have been working on, okay, switch to develop branch. So Control Alt, Control Shift, and then the tilde. Should open branch. Yeah, you should never work with master. Master is, and so first of all, if you're doing like that, if you're working like, if you want to do anything, first thing you want to do, you have to create your own branch. You should not be ever working on master or develop.
Mhm.
So
I have to come here, new branch. My name.
well, call it feature. First of all, call it feature slash wizard fixes or whatever. Feature, no, wait, what? Slash forward slash wizard fixes. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's to create the branch. Yes. Now, what you can do, okay, so now what you can do really, so your master branch is, your master branch is messed up, but the wizard fixes is fine. You know what? I'm just thinking, because this is what we messed up early on. You should have started with develop branch, because I can see that the call that you have, there were some lines like type name was changed to type ID. This was fixed in develop branch, but it's not fixed in master yet. So
Can I pull again?
You can, where are you? So first of all, okay,
I'm in feature wizard fixes.
because I don't know what, okay, so here's what I would do. Here's what I would do. I would go switch to develop branch first. Switch to develop branch. Checkout. Okay. Okay. Now you checked out the develop branch. Now you would have to add remote. You would have to add a remote that points to CompuCell 3D. Remote. So manage remotes. So git manage remotes. And you have to add, click plus button. Why are you? Yeah. Go to CompuCell 3D. URL, yes. Name and call the name CC3D remote or whatever. Remote, yes. That's yep, that's right. Now you are on develop branch. You have to, okay, now before you do anything, let's try pulling from, so pull. No. Okay, wait, no, please don't stop. Don't do that. Click here. Click here. Click here. No, please don't. Click here. Click here. Pull.
Here?
Yes, pull. Now you have to change exactly and then pull and then hit pull. Exactly. So then you will get I don't know really what's going on here.
Isn't it because there's a it's 25/3/develop, so it's not because CC3D remote.
Oh yeah. I mean that's wrong, obviously. No, but wait. Just let okay, go to manage remotes again. Manage remotes. Okay, wait here. You have to type .git at the end. So you see here, .git is missing. Yeah. And then hit OK. What does it say? It's not much in branch.
You sure I don't have to add a tree there?
I don't think so. I'm pretty sure you don't. I can check quickly what's in my. Um, nope. You don't have to. No, you don't have to do that. Let's see what branch are you? Okay, let's switch back to you. What branch are you in right now? So
Develop.
So you are on develop branch. That's on origin. That's you. Okay. Maybe you can do merge instead of so. Okay, good. Okay, wait. Let's see. I'm just looking at this. This is useful link for you. In case things don't work. Let me check. This is for you. Fetch changes. All changes. Well, I mean, I think I select the branch from which you want to pull changes. The remote branch, blah. Maybe you have to do, if you do fetch, fetch. Try to do git fetch. So git fetch, up. Yeah. Okay, now try doing this pull. Git pull. Okay. All right. So now looks like you pull changes from the remote, from the CC3D remote. Okay. Okay, good. Now, wait. So now let's try. So let's push those changes. So Control Shift K.
Now I don't have any change.
You will have Control Shift K, push them. You do have changes. See, you have changed. Stop here. You have changes because those changes are coming from the repository, from the CC3D, from CompuCell 3D repository. You brought changes. Now you are pushing those changes into your, so this will go into your repository, right? So you do have changes.
Got it.
Right. Now let's go to GitHub and make pull request. GitHub repository.
Let me make sure. Okay, I'm on origin. So now origin develop is updated.
No. You want to go to GitHub page in Chrome. Okay, and you have to be on your, not here. You have to be not here. Yeah, this one. Or maybe actually, I'm just thinking, maybe you have to be, so how did they do this? I don't know where you have to start. Maybe you have to start on the CompuCell version of that Wedit. So maybe you have to switch the Chrome page.
You mean coming here again?
Yes. And then pull requests, pull requests, pull requests. New pull request. And I'm just trying to see what's going to happen. And why I have to see. No, I think you have to be on the other one, on your one, on your personal repository, and do new pull request. Pull request, new pull request. No, you first of all, so wait. First of all, you have to decide where your code is going. It has to go to develop here, and it has to come from your wizard fix, feature wizard fix. I don't know where it is. So let's go to PyCharm. Let's see what branch you are on. You're okay. Wait. Wizard fixes. Okay, so you have to understand what you did, what you just did. So you were on the branch. Hold on. You were on the branch develop. You pulled from branch develop. So you fetched all changes from CompuCell. You merged them with your branch develop. Now we're not done here. You pushed your branch develop to your repository on your GitHub. Now, before you created this wizard fixes, which was based on master branch that somehow you started working.
Mm-hmm.
So now you have, what you have to do really is switch to wizard fix, Okay, check out. Let me actually explain, erase that.
And pull everything.
No. You have to merge. So you have to go git merge. Yes. Now, wait, please don't click anything. No. Merge into so you have to be careful when you're doing those operations. It's not like it's easy to mess things up, and then you will spend half an hour reversing it. So be careful here. So it says merge into wizard. You have to understand what merge means. It means I'm going to bring to this branch that I have just created changes from this guy. Now, is this what you want to do? I don't think so. Because remember that we have spent last 10 minutes going over the process of bringing changes from here into your version of develop. So I would go here, click here, and select, scroll down until you, no, here, wait, stop, here. That's what you want. You want to merge the changes from develop. Okay. And then you can click merge. And then we'll see if you get merge conflicts or not. Probably not, but we never know. Okay, now you are on here, on the feature wizard fixes. Okay, that's what you want. Now, push this branch. Make sure that you push it to your repository. So Control-Shift-K. Control-Shift-K. And push. You have to push because this branch, see, it only existed on your hard drive. That's why you did not see it on the GitHub. So now go back to your Git Chrome page, and you start pull request again. So new pull request, and now go up, please don't scroll. So what you have to, where should it go? You always have to be careful about details like that. To develop, yes. What is the source branch? Yes, let's expand. And then you see your wizard fixes here. Yeah. Now let's scroll down and let's see what's the content. Now,
thank God.
Keep scrolling. This looks okay to me. This Pedro, you should leave it. You should leave it the way it is. Keep scrolling. Keep scrolling. Did you notice that? Yeah, keep going. So far, I'm seeing all the good changes. Remember, I'm not seeing those lines that, I said, oops, what is it? This type name, type ID?
Yes.
This is gone because we actually right now are started working with the right version of the develop branch from CompuCell repository.
Yes.
So far, this is good. Keep scrolling. And yeah, that looks good. That looks very good. Keep going. I think we are done here. I mean, in terms of this guy. The only question is where is the OK button to create this pull request?
So, and also to add it, because there is a generation.
Leave it. This you have to leave this because look, if you do everything right, that's pointless. That's a waste of our time. I want you to see what's going to happen next. I want you to commit specifically. I want you to commit this code because then I will go and I will say, look, Pedro, you left some leftover code. Please fix it. Okay. Mm-hmm. So I will say changes required. And then you will do to your code and you will fix it. You will commit and push. And then you will notify me. I really want it to be like that.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So comparing changes, but I don't see this silly.
You should be able to see this pull request.
Really?
Yes, don't you? In your...
I know, but I'm not sure if you made this pull request already or there is some OK button because I...
Able to merge. How do I... maybe I don't have permission, Maciej. I think that's...
No, it doesn't matter. You should not have permissions. That's the whole point. Sorry. Because that's the whole point of pull request. You don't have permission to use CompuCell repository, but you can contribute code. That's perfectly fine. So, so I'm not seeing any pull request from you. And I don't know really what's going on here. Is there any button? Maybe let's scroll.
Maybe because I have to sign in.
Of course. I mean, that would help. That would help. Yeah, because otherwise. Okay, so now you have to. Okay. Wait. Yeah. So so this is comparing changes. So create pull request. So now you can, and then you can add description. Refactoring of wizard. This is not necessary because this information I will see, but that's fine. Yeah, just leave it, and then create pull request. And then if you wait, you're not done yet. Now, if you click here, reviewers, you can select whom you want to review the code. Can you actually click on it or not? No. Okay, that's fine. So now I can go and see. So let me actually show my screen for a second. Oh, you have to allow me to show my screen. I'll show you what's going on there. So now advanced. I want to do this. So this is your pull request now that I'm seeing.
Mm-hmm.
And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to look at this. And I see, oops, there is something like this. So I'm hitting plus and I'm typing, this looks like and I don't know. Out. Let's remove it. And I'm going to start review. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. And because I know what you did, I will say, finish your review. And I will say, this looks great. And I'm going to say, changes requested. Okay. And now you can go back. So I'm going to unshare my screen. Stop share, and you share yours. Okay. So Maciej's watch requested changes right now. And then you can see, if you scroll down, you can see what it is.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now you go to this CC3D ML, so go to PyCharm. I'll show you how. Okay. Search for Pedro, because there is.
Here.
Yeah, so get rid of this. And then commit. So Control K. And then
Commit. Oh,
you don't want this. You want this, and then
I
say
think I already committed the other one.
you did not. If you did, that's easy way to undo it. So okay, first, okay, don't worry about the other guy.
Okay.
Let's finish this guy. No, you have to write a message. What do you do?
Yeah.
You can say addressed, PR comment. Removed. Okay, that's fine. Remove the debug code. Yeah, and commit. And then Control Shift K. You have to push it.
From Wizard.
Yes, indeed. Wait, yes, indeed, you did. So push anyway. Wait, checks are still in progress. Yeah, don't want to push anyway. Okay. Now let's go and fix this stuff that you committed. Because let's go and find the init file. So you have to no, exactly here. The init.
Is it this one?
No, that's not it. I think that's keep going. Not this one. I think this might be this one. Yeah. Nope. Kill it. Go in. Is there any in it?
Here.
Yeah. So what I would do, Control A, and Control X. Control X. Now, this stuff is pasted. You know what? Here's what I would do. Create. Okay. So
Isn't the case just we do like we
say,
do?
okay, wait. Okay. Hit. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do it. Like let's do it the simple way. So paste it here again, just like it was. Now, save as init.bak. No, keep the word init. Init, init, no. Init.bak.py. Okay. But then don't rush. Please don't rush. Because no, cancel. Read what it says, actually. It said, do you want to add it to repository? And the answer is no, you don't want. You want this to live only on your computer. Now, let's check this file, this BAK that you created. Okay, so that's your template that you need to paste. Now go to init py, go to init py, remove everything with it from it, and commit it, and say undoing, removing commit changes, and you have to go here and do changes here. Yeah, select this guy. And just, yes, commit and Control Shift K push. Control Shift K push. Yes, push anyway. Okay, now in order to be able to run to edit, you have to copy everything. So now the init that's on the server is empty. That's how I want it. Now you have to copy everything from here. So Control A, Control C, and paste it here. And don't commit it next time. And so it's, you see what we did. So now go to your Chrome. And go back. Go back. No, here. No, not that far. No. Go to, okay, go. Changes requested. Scroll up. Now, why do you click security? No, don't click security. I'm just trying to see. Because you have to you can send me an email, but there should be a way to notify me. I mean, sending email is actually a good idea because I'm getting so many of those that I might miss some. No reviews. Show all reviewers, maybe here. What's the changes? Expand this. Re-request review. So now I'm getting notified. So let's see. I'm getting stuck for some reason. What's going on here? GitHub. Maybe, sorry, to edit. Why is this happening? I'm just trying to see. Zoom is clearly messing up with me.
You want to share a screen now?
Yeah, I want to share screen, yeah. So I can let me actually share my screen. Okay, share screen, advanced portion. And this is me, right? So here I see all the changes. I probably have been notified. But now I'm going to do this. And notice that right now your Pedro stuff is gone, right? You push changes and this is gone. So I can do approve. It's good. It's good. And now I can do crazy stuff and say, now I can merge pull request. That closes the session, really. I approved your request and I merged the changes. So now all the changes are inside here, develop. So what I would do now, if I were you, I'm going to unshare my screen. You should go to PyCharm. And so now your changes are in, right? So first of all, switch to develop branch. So develop branch here, your develop.
Vote develop?
No, your develop here. Origin, checkout. Now do fetch. Git, so here, git fetch. Okay. Fetch. Now, after fetch is successful and you're on develop, you can do pull. So git pull, and you are pulling not from your origin, but from CC3D remote. Yes, because that's where the changes are. So you are pulling from my develop to your develop. Now, what you can do, you have to push to your develop. So the workflow is like this. You get the develop changes from me to your local hard drive, and then from your local hard drive, you're pushing it to your develop. So Control-Shift-K. And this is how Git works. I know it's complex, so push. Yeah, exactly.
So, okay, so now I'm pushing to my develop. Okay.
Yeah.
So wait, so actually the entire workflow is first I fork to my Git.
Yes.
Then I pull to my local machine and create a branch called develop.
Yes.
From the branch called develop, I create another branch, which is, for example,
Wait.
wizard.
If you clone, you don't have to create branch develop. If you clone, the branch develop is there already.
Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, makes sense.
What
Yeah,
you
so
have to
clone.
do
So it's not fork, it's clone.
is to fetch. So you have to add a remote that points to CompuCell to edit, CC3D to edit, Git. Then you fetch. Fetch means get changes from all remotes. Then once you have changes from all remotes, you can pull from CompuCell 3D, CC3D to edit.git into your develop. And then you have the latest branch of the develop. Next, you create branch feature/wizard fix or whatever branch you call it from your develop. You make changes, do a bunch of changes. You push this branch to your origin, and then you create pull request. But before you create pull request, it's always a good idea to pull, just before creating pull request, to pull one more time from the develop, to make sure that you always get to pull from develop on CC3D. So fetch, pull from CC3D, from CompuCell 3D, develop branch, you can pull directly to your wizard branch, actually, and then make pull request. And then that's the workflow. And sounds complicated. That's the way it is. I don't know any other shortcut, really. It is a bit pain, might be overkill, but that's how the entire world works right now when it comes to pull requests. Does it make sense?
Yes.
I know it's a lot.
Yeah, it's crazy, but in big projects, I think that's the only way.
That's the only way, really. And what you've learned is actually super useful. If you go for any programming interview, they'll always ask you. And you'll be surprised how many people don't know this workflow.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And so you also working with in profiting companies, let's say.
Yeah.
And how do they use GitHub?
Yeah. It's either GitHub or Bitbucket. Some people might use
What is
GitLab.
what is the other one?
Bitbucket. Bitbucket. Bit.
Bitbucket.
Yeah. Yeah.
Solution for teams. Oh, so it's the same as Git, but for
Yeah. It's GitHub is very popular. GitHub is owned by Microsoft. Bitbucket is owned by Atlassian. There is GitLab, which is less popular.
Mhm.
But the workflow is the same everywhere.
Mhm.
So here's the story. Bitbucket is essentially web application on top of Git. GitHub is web application on top of Git. GitLab is web application. So those are different web apps, different products, so to speak, and they give you different functionality. The reason that GitHub is good because GitHub integrates nicely with PyCharm. It has nice PR plugin, so you can do all PRs from PyCharm. But I didn't want you to do that. I wanted to show you how it's done, through web interface, which is what most likely happens. Hey guys, look, I have to run because we ran over time
Yeah.
a bit. So it's good that you recorded that.
Yes.
And let's meet next week and see what we can do.
Mhm.
This is planned to.
We will need a meeting to start the page.
Yeah.
Yeah, do you want to do that next Saturday or before?
Well, next Saturday. I mean,
Okay, no problem.
unless what other day would work for you?
Thursday, Monday,
Monday.
Wednesday, and Friday. Yeah, any day before except Tuesday. Tuesday is quite.
Yeah, no, that's fine. I mean, I guess Friday would be the best for me.
Mhm.
If you except for Saturday. Saturday is preferred, but Friday, I think I can do Friday afternoon.
Yeah, I mean, if we are choosing among Friday and Saturday, let's go Saturday. Doesn't make a
Yep.
difference.
Yep. Let's do that.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So we can stop recording now and we can we can